Mom? Huh, okay, I'm here. Where are we going again? We're going to Toys R Us. Remember that they have a closing sale now? Wait, Toys R Us is closing? Yeah. And Babies R Us too, don't forget that. Who cares if Babies R Us is closing? I am not a baby. We weren't talking about you, Iceberg. We were talking about Bubbles and the Blues, who are sleeping right now. So be quiet. Sorry. I said be quiet. Wah, wah, wah. Who invited you here? No one cares. Whatever. Okay. Are you sure it's a good idea to go to the closing sale? It might be like a Black Friday situation. I guess you're right. I want to go to Toys R Us. And if we get crowded, we can bring Iceberg so that he can freeze everyone so he can find what we're looking for. Alright, I'll come. Now, how do you work the stick? Just gotta... Okay, whoa! Ow! 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 Bubbles, calm down. Oh, look! A giant plushie. Well, it smells but wet. I wonder what it would be like to roll him down the stairs. No, don't do it! Don't do it! Really? Okay. Why did you? Okay. Will you cut that out? Sorry. That is it. You are gonna ow. Alright, now I'm coming down there. This has gotta be them. I'm coming down there. And wait a minute, hold on. Hey, I was never supposed to be here. It's just that Chuck went missing and I had to fill in for him. Iceberg, what did I tell you about breaking the fourth wall? Sorry. Okay, now where were we? Yes. Ow! Red! And as for you, pig. There. He smells it. Okay, he's unpleasant. Okay, we won. Yep. Okay, can we go to Toys R Us now? Where's Mommy? I'm up here. Can't the camera come any faster? Sorry. Now I gotta deal with this and the blue. Well, since Babies R Us is closing too, why don't you bring them as well? Fine. Come on, little guys. We're going to the toy store. Yay! Okay. Alright. Here's... Yay, we're going to the toy store! Yay! Actually, we're going because they're having a closing sale. What? Yeah. Yeah. And we need to get as many toys that we like as we can. Oh, to remember them? No, to play with. Okay, awkward silence. So, that was Iceberg Falls Down the Stairs. It was originally gonna be Chuck Falls Down the Stairs, but we couldn't find him anywhere. Actually, we couldn't find his plushie to do the video with. What did I tell you about breaking the fourth wall? Sorry about that. Wah, wah, wah. And will you stop that? Okay, so I'm red. These are the blues. That's Bubbles, Stella, the pig, Iceberg, and up there still is the bird that always keeps going. Wah, wah, wah. I said sorry. It doesn't count if you just do it again, okay? Alright. So yeah. That was the video. So please rate, comment, share, and most of all, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.